In this video, I will show you how to upscale and enhance any video quickly. And I've tested basically all the most notable tools and platforms for this, and I have found Topaz Labs Video AI feature to be the best. So that is what we're going to use in this video. And you can access Topaz Labs Video AI with my link in the description. But now let's get started. So first and foremost, what you need to do is head over to topazlabs.com/topaz-video. Then just click on Get It, and this will prompt you to buy one of these plans. So you will have Personal and Topaz Studio. And since I'm just using this for enhancing my videos, I'm actually going to go with Personal. So let's click Subscribe, then just fill in your details. And once you have purchased the plan, you will be redirected to this page. And here you need to choose Topaz Video and click on Download. And here you also get to choose if you want to download for Mac or Windows. Then just run the installer and open up Topaz Labs. And when you first open up Topaz AI Video, you will see a view like this. And then all you need to do is just drag and drop your blurry or shaky video into the view. And for me, it's going to be this video where I'm throwing a disc golf disc. So especially if you're using desktop to watch this video, you can clearly see how blurry this video is. So we are going to change that. Now I will just drag and drop the video over here into this view, and then we get to these settings. And this is actually surprisingly easy. So it actually prompts you to tell how you want to edit the video. So if you want a 4K resolution and a better frame rate, then just click on 4K and 60 FPS. So not only is this upscaling your video to 4K, but it's also introducing these intermediary frames in between the existing ones, making the video smoother. Then just make sure that the video is progressive. If you're using some old TV footage, then you can do interlaced, but the progressive schematic is the most common one these days. Then I recommend using the Produce model. In fact, it's even recommended here in the Topaz Video AI. And then I don't really recommend tweaking these other settings because these ones that are placed there automatically are usually more than enough for your use case. Then if you have a longer clip, you can actually click on this 2-second preview. So it will spend maybe 30 seconds to render a 2-second clip of your video so that you will see what it will look like once you have exported the full video in the 4K and 60 FPS resolution. So this can save you a lot of time if you have a longer clip. But since I only have an 11-second clip, I will just directly click on Export. And here you don't really need to do anything else other than maybe change the destination where it's going to be saved to. So by default, it's going to be some kind of a random folder inside the Video AI folder. But right now, for example, I've chosen my desktop to be the rendering destination. Then just click on Start Export. And at first use, this was a bit weird, so I didn't see any progress bar anywhere. And also, I didn't get any notification once the rendering was completed. But what you can do is, once you have started the rendering, just click on Export Queue over here. And here you can actually see how much time remains. So for example, on our 11-second clip, it's going to roughly take 2.5 minutes to render. But now, instead of just showing how to upscale your videos, let me actually show you some realistic results. So we're not like other creators. I will actually show you what is really achievable with a tool like this. And right off the get-go, before I show you any results, I want to be very clear about something. So if you have a bad video to begin with, you are going to get a bad video as a result. That is just the name of the game, because in upscaling, it is all about the AI adding extra details to the footage. And if there's too much footage missing, or basically if there are too many pixels missing, too much information missing, the AI simply cannot travel back in time to the place where the video was shot to see what it would actually have looked like. And now we're going to start with this disc golf shot. So here is the original video. And here is the upscaled version. And as you can see, it for sure looks a lot sharper. But if we zoom in on the grass over here, for example, you can actually see that it looks artificial. If you have ever used the GPT Image 2 AI image generator model, it actually looks like it came straight out of that. So you have this very weird repeating pattern that looks completely out of this world. But now let me actually show you another example. So here is a video that I created using AI. So this is an advertisement for a phone. The result is absolutely fantastic, but the quality is not quite there, especially if you're watching this on a desktop. You can clearly see that this looks low resolution. Now, when I use the settings that I just showed you in Topaz, here's actually what I get back. And this looks absolutely insane. Maybe the only part where it still looks a bit blurry is this one over here. But for example, these close-up shots are incredible. So the input video, I would say, was like 8.5 out of 10. And now with the Topaz Labs Upscaler, we get a 9 out of 10. So that is the kind of quality bump you're going to get with a tool like that. Then let's see yet another video. So here is a video from like 8 years ago where I'm throwing a disc once again, but here I'm much closer than in the first one. And here is the result that we get back from Topaz. And once again, if we take any frame of the video, you can see that it's much sharper for sure, but it's still a bit blurry. And also it looks almost like this is some kind of a painting if you zoom in on these trees, and it still preserves the low quality shot 10 years ago with Snapchat style look. So there's no way to save your videos if they look bad to begin with. And then here's one more video. So this is like a year ago. So here I filmed some mushrooms that we were cooking with my uncle. And since it is my previous iPhone model, this image quality is not that great. And also this is recorded in 30 frames per second. So you can actually see that it is kind of clipping or whatever is the right term. So you can clearly see that it's not flowing smoothly. But now with the Topaz Labs upscaled version, you can see that the video looks much smoother. So you don't really see those separate frames anymore. And also the image quality or the video quality is much sharper. So whatever you do, if you upscale your videos with a bad input, don't expect too much better outputs. The way I see it is that if you put in an 8 out of 10 input, you might get an 8.5 or maybe even 9 out of 10 output. But if you put in 4 out of 10, you will get 4.5 or 5 out of 10, which is still terrible. Nonetheless, after testing all these different AI upscalers and upscaling modes and tools and platforms and everything, I think that Topaz Labs right now is the best one. So make sure to check the Topaz Video AI feature with my link in the description. And thanks so much for watching this one, and I hope to see you in the next one.